We are diving into the world of comics from Asia and exploring the differences between manga, manhwa, and manhwa. Have you ever wondered what sets them apart? If yes, you are in the right place. Manga, manhwa, and manhwa are all types of comics, but they are from different countries, have unique styles, and different reading formats. Now, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification icon if you are a fan of comics and you want more content like this. Let's start with manga. Manga refers to Japanese comics or graphic novels. It is an integral part of Japan and has been around for decades. Manga is known for its distinct art style, often featuring expressive character and dynamic panel layout. It is read from right to left, which is traditional Japanese reading format. Manga covers a wide range of genres like shonen for action, seinen for mature content, and shoujo for romance, and so much more. Popular mangas you might know are Naruto, One Piece, Attack on Titan, and My Hero Academia. Moving on to manhwa. Manhwa comes from South Korea. It has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, especially with the rise of webtoon. Unlike manga, manhwa needs to be read from left to right like Western comics. Manhwa also have more colorful approach to it, particularly in webtoon format, which is optimized for digital reading. Manhwa covers a wide range of genres like romance, fantasy, action, slice of life, isekai, reincarnation. It often blends modern day settings with fantastical elements. Some popular manhwa titles include Solo Leveling, Tower of God, and True Beauty. Finally, we have manhwa, which originates from China. Manhwa has a history of roots tracing back to traditional Chinese art. Manhwa can be read from left to right or right to left depending on the publisher. It often features detailed background and vibrant colors similar to manhwa. Manhwa covers a wide range of genre as well, but it often includes element of martial arts, Chinese culture, and mythology. Some popular manhwa titles are The King's Avatar, Martial Universe, and Mo Zhao Zushi. To give a clearer picture, here's a side-by-side comparison of the art style and layouts from manga, manhwa, and manhwa. You can see how each has its own unique flair. A quick recap. Manga is from Japan and is read from right to left. Manhwa is from Korea and is read from left to right and is often digital. And manhwa is from China, featuring a blend of traditional and modern art style. Each one has its own charm and it really depends on your taste. Personally, I like to read manga and manhwa. The current manga that I'm reading is That Time I Reincarnated as a Slime, and the manhwa that I'm currently reading is The S-Class Lady. Both of these are pretty good. I do recommend them. Let me know in comments below which one is your favorite, manga, manhwa, or manhwa, and why. And if you have any recommendation for me, I would love to hear them all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on manga, manhwa, or manhwa. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep reading and stay awesome.